Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Bolo Sri Guru Maharaj ki jai, Guru Parampara ki jai, Sarva Santan Hari Bhaktan ki jai, Ananta Ananta Kuri Gaur Bhakta Vrinda ki jai, Sabri Mahaprabhu ki jai, Gaur Pramanandi. Now many days to all are came in this Navadip Dham and try to following Mahaprabhu's movement. Mahaprabhu's this movement running this Gaudiya Guru Varga and Bhakta and Vaishnavas in heart. And after they are try to giving anybody's this mood, the kind and then giving, then people are accepting. But cannot giving by force, by hook and crook, by cheat, by bribe, and by any politics, by hankering, challenge with this. Cannot possibly this is thing is taking. The chit fund business not is running in Mahaprabhu's movement. Other demigod near is this is possible. Brahma Bhole giving his one bell fruits, Dhatura, then he is happy. And other incarnation of God, they are also worshipping. Then they giving a good result. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's movement, no lie. Not possible is anything is very easily is given. Rajesh Thakur near prostitute came, but what is telling? He said, I am chanting Harinam now, I am engaged with Mahaprabhu's service, I have no time for it. When Namsang is complete, then I am talking with you. But Allah now Harimala is taking the Nam Sankirtanam at a phone come, run over there. Mala is stopping, my any lover is came, then I am stopping Mala. And I am chanting Gayatri Mantra, Guru Mantra, then is other program, then I am run over there. Rajesh Thakur, and how much pay for this Harinam? He said, they are not, I am chanting this Harinam, but I cannot go stop this Mala mantra. Impossible. You like to sitting Mala is complete, then I am talking with you, fulfilling your desire. Meaning, this Harinam, Prabhu, fulfilling everybody's desire. Now Prabhu has power. Nam Prabhu he is all in all. Then one night waiting, next night waiting, third night waiting, first with Tamagun is washed, finished. No more sleep is coming. No more enjoy for desire coming. First day, shaking body, dancing, and after cloth opening, showing everything, tight talking, speaking is very sweet, and ugly, all nature with this, she is try to cheating is Haridas Thakur. But Haridas Thakur not cheated with this anything. He no like any other thing. He is involved with this Nam Sankirtan. Why? He is before life telling Brahma, Ya Prahlad. He is Adiguru Brahma Lord. But you know, there are things for going is any other way, I am missing everything. Prahlad is appointed with his Harinam. He is within Prahlad, his king. Somebody then quotes it. Oh, this body is one and soul is one? Say no. Million soul within this body. One soul is prominent, that is soul, which is calming many other souls. This body has many souls, not one soul. Now, Prahlad is there, Brahma is there, saying within Bhakta devotees, there are no problems. Alone and problems. Tamagun, Rajagun is attacking. So now, a lady, Tamagun was one night. Next, Rajagun, she has business for desire. Not only body business. She has desire for on. This. Rajagun, another pleasing spur. She has desire. She is promised king near. I am cheating in Haridas Thakur, and then he is fallen, then I am giving him her to gift. But Haridas Thakur all washing. How washing? He is thinking about this lady and chanting Harinam for her? No. He is Nam Brahma, this Purna Brahma, Sanatan Brahma, Parabrahma, desires for happiness, for service, for is waiting, is there is present. After next, is Rajagun is was and finished. Next night she came, she is now pure like Swati. After the Sattvagun mood is how changed? She is offering pranam, doing parikrama and all chanting with him, and then thinking he will be pleased with me. But he has no other desire, any other desire, so he can do anything. Now third night, Sattvagun also gone, was. Next, Nirgun, Harinam, for taste is come and desire is come. Mahaprabhu, Bhakta, how? Mahaprabhu Bhakta Vairagya Pradhan, Tahadiki Tushta or Gaur Bhagavan. They have deep attachment and anurag within this Harinam. This Kali Yuga, Harinam which is no relation, then is Sattva Tamagun, direct is calming and disturbing, arresting and tying and binding. But you know Kali Yuga, very dark. And Tamagun is everywhere, everybody is near is present. Then Shuddha Bhakta, near is going, Mahaprabhu's followers, there is helpful. Now Mahaprabhu only 12 years is, 13 years is like Nitan Roh it is. Is waiting. And after they are going here and there sometimes. Now Ambika Kalna, Mahaprabhu with his Sankirtan movement with this, he is gone. Why? They are Gauridas Pandit, Surdas Pandit, and even other Bhakta devotees there. They are also starting, there is Nam Sankirtan. Anywhere Nam Sankirtanam, Mahaprabhu going there. Mahaprabhu promised. So Nam Sankirtan running, Mahaprabhu is gone there. And all Bhakta came with his Sankirtanam near Amritala. Mahaprabhu they are sitting, Sankirtanam running. After Sankirtanam, Mahaprabhu, all Bhaktas with his meeting. Especially Gauridas Pandit, Surdas Pandit, they say, Prabhu, you are carrying this Sankirtanam, then his Sankirtan is like as it is, and very happiness is giving. Our heart is now is very pleased. You are not here, only Nam Sankirtanam, but they are not praying, they are not love. Spontaneous love not there. Sometimes feeling little bit well after is not lost. Therefore, Prabhu, you will be here with us all time this Sankirtana movement. Mahaprabhu says, yes. You are doing Nam Sankirtanam, I am not going here to more any other way. And now you are stopping this Nam Sankirtanam, then I am not staying here. Then they are starting Nam Sankirtanam. After some time, they stopping. When morning to evening Kirtan, after they resting, then Mahaprabhu say, I am now not more staying here. Where going? Navadip Dham. There, Siva Sangal, Kirtan is 24 hours 7. Pandit Sivas, Sriram, Sripati, Srinidhi, Sanjay, Mukunda Vasughosh, all are all time doing Nam Sankirtanam. Any Nam Sankirtanam, there I am present. Now, Surjas Pandit and Gorjas Pandit, there is saying no. You will not go. You will be with us. Then Mahaprabhu say, okay, one condition, you continuously chanting Harinam, Nam Sankirtanam. No Nam Sankirtanam, any places, there is Mahadevi acquiring and covering and making dark and deep. There, people is suffering. Now, Surjas Pandit and Gorjas Pandit, they are 5 brothers. They are promised. Mahaprabhu says yes. Now, sometime after Mahaprabhu say, I am going back. Say, no, you are not going back. You will be with us. Then Mahaprabhu saying, you chanting this Harinam, all is this area, everything is clean and pure. And everybody's heart is now clean. All trees, creepers, all are get liberation. They cannot thinking any others. They are only thinking this Paramatma, Parabrahma. And pure they are now. Then Gorjas Pandit say, now I understand. See your house is guard, house inside is 2 neem tree. They are with us doing Kirtan and Kirtan hearing. পশুপক্ষী কীটাদি বলিতে না পারে শুনলেই হরিনাম তারা সব করে অতএব উচ্চ করে কীর্তন করিলে শতগুণ ফল ধরে সর্বশাস্ত্র জপতো হরিনামানি স্থানে শত গুণাধিক আত্মানঞ্চ পুনাতস্যৈ জপনসন্তি গুণাধিক. Anybody doing Nam Sankirtanam proudly, and Mahaprabhu saying 1,000 million times going is result and fruits. And only silence, only chanting japa is very little, not too powerful. So Gorjas Pandit say, how understanding? Look at this tree. This tree taking all of these heart, mind and eternal proof, this pictures. Meaning, these trees are they catching and taking. Now there is Chidanandamayam. They are not his wood and tea and trunk. Now Gorjas Pandit hearing Mahaprabhu to many and gone and touching these trees, looking, oh, really their heart is Gaura-Nitai present. Like Hanuman. Sometimes is present of Ramchandra's here. Sita Devi giving every some presentation. And Ramchandra saying, oh, to take this, Hanuman saying, I am taking you and your mercies, whole anything. This thing says, your mercy. So this is that I am giving you, you accepting. But say this thing says, no, you present, I cannot take you. This is your, then I am taking. Then Srila Devi asking, okay, everywhere you like Ramchandra present, your heart is Ramchandra present? Say, yes, Ramchandra is here present. How is present? Then he is taking nails with his, he is digging and crashing and looking. There is Ram and Sita is present. Same, Gaurunitya telling, Gauridas Pandit Nyan. Pandit, you look, these trees are taking us, both us, on our heart. Then, Gauridas Pandit is surprised and gone there. These are like Jamal Arjun get liberation that would come out, Nalpur Manigrip. Same days today, these trees to come out, who? Gaurunityanand. Same deity, same pose, same color, same everything. I say, okay, now you are worshipping me. I am going now. Why? They are taking me, but you can take me. You have no love for me. For us, I am going. You are worshiping them. They are more qualified, bona fide. Then Gauridas Pandit say, no, I have love. You look at my heart, I am your. I am not different to you. So, okay? Then you have, your heart has place for me, you look at me, and I am not distanced to you. I am with you. Say, no, I am without offering, I cannot eat. Without you, I cannot stay. Without your desire, I cannot do anything. For me, then all brothers are crying and weeping. Then Mahaprabhu says, yes, you are seeing by these deities, I am going. Say, no, deities are going, you are staying. Mahaprabhu said, no. This you are seeing my deities. Say, no, you stay, deities stay. Then Mahaprabhu says, yes, I am staying. Then Mahaprabhu is staying, deities are running. And Mahaprabhu is deity. Next, he is running, no, you come. He is bringing them. Then these deities are running, walking, going. He is surprised. Who is original, who is imitation. You cannot understand. Say, my deity, myself, non-dependent. Before Kali Yuga, before there is lost his own brain. They lost everything. Their heart has no place for God. Pure soul with us, but this pure soul is no love. Like any other things, but their soul and pure soul is no love and affection. Mahaprabhu said, anything try to do and try to follow, first is making place for God. And then that place will be pure and clean, then never is problem coming. No making center for any other. And how will it be? Nam Sankirtanam Jasya. Without Nam Sankirtanam, not possible. I am practicing now. Every day, calling, inviting. Every day, requesting, praying. I am practicing. Why? Anyhow, I am not chanting this Harinam. Any other things is coming and going inside, and here is acquiring. And not going out. I am calling this Harinam Prabhu. Nam Prabhu coming, then no more room, no more place for any other things. Nobody acquiring. Then Mahaprabhu is then Gauridas Pandit request with this, there is present with the deities. After some time, these glories are hearing, everywhere it is famous. Then one Odisha from one he is thinking, Guru is disappears now. I am going. Guru is deities are present. As it is, I am meeting with him and talking with him, asking with him. He is telling, I am going by my deities is present. There is helpful and helping everybody. Babaji came, walking, Odisha to this Ambika Kalna, Gauridas Pandit house. Then Pujari are offering bhoga, doing arati, giving bed, sleeping for, and there is some water giving, and the running fan, Mahaprabhu resting, they come out and clocking and gone. Now Babaji came afternoon, Babaji crying, I am long distance to come, I am very hungry, very thirsty, I am weak, I am tired, you are kind for Bhakta and devotees and everybody. Why not you give me darshan? Why Pujari longing in you? Why not you come out? Gaur nitai tora duti bhai poti janar bandhu poti to adham ami durjon homai kripa sindhu. Gaur nitai, why not come? He is crying and loudly. This temple front of Pujari are already gone. Then Gaur nitai opening door and come out. And looking at his Babaji, really long distance to far away to Jagannath Puri, Odisha to come, very tired, hungry, thirsty, weak. Then Gaur nitai thinking, what I am giving? Pujari are offering bhoga and taking, nothing here. Then looking, storeroom near, there is some fruits, some things, there milk and sugar, something. He is taking everything, giving Babaji. Babaji says, okay, you fast eating, then I am eating. Babaji is eating, both brothers. And after saying, Pujari coming and watching the store, no finding, then definitely beating in you, and after kicking you, and also giving all our punishment. Then Babaji say, okay, I am going Ganga bathing for, say all are going, both are going. Babaji gone, but Gauri only like this Nam Sankirtan. Babaji is gone back to Ganga, starting Nam Sankirtan, Gauri dancing, Nitai dancing. Big program. Pujari is king and wearing quiet, looking, the Gauri Nitai not there. Nothing, and storage no food, and nothing there. He is thinking where gone, but he is hearing Nam Sankirtan is running there. Where? Bank of Ganga. Gone there within stick, catching and bringing and beating. Babaji afraid, but Gauri dancing and running. All bhaktas, they are doing Nam Sankirtan. They are also thinking. After, say, why you left this temple? Say, no Nam Sankirtan, and no bhakta devotees for any love, no prasadam. All time arresting me, put in docking, and I am a prisoner, I can't stay. Then Pujari, very upset and crying and looking, Prabhu, Nam Sankirtanam, running, and also giving darshan people for few minutes, and after continuously I'm serving you, and you like anywhere going, anywhere Nam Sankirtanam, no problem, but you never left us. Mahaprabhu then Pujari with his promise, he not going, but condition, Nam Sankirtanam, Rani, Bhaktas, respecting. And Babaji now, every day, jungle to collecting these flowers, and making garland, and giving Mahaprabhu, turn the good decorative. And Mahaprabhu say, my prasad, giving also Babaji. Babaji now, serving. Long time after he is very old, then Mahaprabhu say, this Nam Brahma, Harnam, I am giving in you this Nam Brahma, you serving, worshiping, offering bhoga, everything, Ganga bathing. And now he is Ganga, every day bathing, every day coming, and Nam Brahma is giving on heart and chanting and worshipping him. Never left Nam Brahma. Mahaprabhu say, it's Harinam with this, you have listened, you like, then I will never left you also. Once a time, Babaji, ashram is present. Then, many, there is person came. Babaji very popular, Siddha Baba. Many people came and asking, hey, Babaji, you are Siddha Baba? Huh? Babaji not giving an answer. He has no eyes for looking any other things. Eyes is open eyes, but eyes is not is there present. Eyes is any other way. Then they are sitting hour to hour and talking, arguing. Babaji not giving any answer. Little later, he is taking one stick and beating in ground. They are afraid. Oh, Babaji now beating us. And okay, all are going, all also bringing stick and beating Babaji, killing Babaji. Why they are good attack? Nonsense. They are next come. Babaji is near. Then there is Babaji's followers. Many sevak. They are catching. Why Babaji? The stick with is beating in ground. What are you thinking? Telling us, Babaji Siddha Babaji, all came darshan for Babaji nonsense. Then asking Babaji, Baba Maharaj, why are you beating his stick within this ground? He said, I am here, but Das Goswami doing bhajan in Radha Kunda. Mahaprabhu's order is every day offering Tulasi, Manjari and this Radha Kunda water, Giridharis. But many goats came, all Tulsi garden, they destroying, breaking and all eating. I am too much disturbed. Early morning, Das Goswami, why for collecting Tulsi? Therefore I am taking stick and I am beating their goats. There is run away. Then I am now happy. Then say this is speculation. That time there is sending news, Radhakundo, looking really this open center, no guard wall, nothing is there. And all goats rules is eating everything at the all leaves, all things eating and passing, this is both their business. Now there is looking really all destroying tools. The eternal world, eternal Leela, which is anybody related and connected, then ordinary people, how can they understand it? They giving ban, they making arguments, they doing many other bad program, but there is Sattva Tamagun which is there already running. And their horse, their bull, and their car, their everything, with his riding, hiding, and there is running. But there is knowledge is nonsense knowledge. They cannot understand this Siddha Pranali. And this Mahaprabhu's movement, Mahaprabhu's this Harinam chanting, Nam Prabhu giving darshan, transcendental world and transcendental knowledge is giving and making result is God family. That God family is anybody has relation, then ordinary blood family and ordinary persons, they are giving judgment. You are, how is Siddha, how is bona fide, how is you great, how is you are scholar, why following everybody you, and why coming you near? How can they be detailed? Then there, this, on advice, sadhus are careless. They cannot follow their argument and advice. Like Prabhu's near his king. This Acharya. Say this is not good, this is bad, this is not right, this is wrong. He say yes. This is wrong. Okay, you correct him. Vaishnavism is different things. Ordinary persons, they try to controlling Vaishnavas, Bhaktas, their programs, how stopping? Eternal flow is flowing. How can stopping? Anybody like stop his rain, Ganga, Jamuna? Impossible. They are not creator maintainer. They are not destroyer. But they don't know their life will be destroyed. Will be finished. They don't know. But they are arguing. this is right, this is wrong, I am understanding, I know everything, I am giving judgment, you are follow, you will be my slave and servant, you will be my disciples. Mahaprabhu's movement not like. Mahaprabhu giving this Krishna consciousness. Krishna Chaitanya, Krishna Chaitanya. That movement everybody following, that consciousness is automatically coming. You are not consciousness come, you cannot understand realizing, therefore you are stopping any other. Can say Dharinam. Not follow this Bhakti rules. No program, no Saman Kirtan. Gurudev not telling like. Vaishnava is not this rule regulation. Rupa Raghunath not telling like. Holidam not telling like. Why? Now is this program. Meanings they cannot realize so. They cannot looking and not understanding, not following Bhaktis and Vaishnavas, no respect. Therefore arguing and giving strong order, instruction, this right, this wrong, judgment giving. So Siddha Baba's near, Bhavandar Baba's near, the Dakat and cheater is came. They say, how you are Siddha? He giving judgment. Oh, he is not hearing. He has no idea. He is where in Radhakundu. How the person is understanding. Sitting is here, is Radhakundu. Acharya Srinivas is doing further in Jajigram. Then his disciples, followers, they looking, is sitting, not talking, no breathing, they think he is dead. Sending news is disciple Ramchandra Kaviraj, Narottam Thakur near. Ramchandra Kaviraj running and calm. He has listened to Guru Maharaj. He knows Gurudev and Gurudev all philosophy, all knowledge he has. He says Guru Maharaj not living, but he is eternally another world. Hey, don't touch my Guru Maharaj body, don't touch me, my body. I am going now watching my Guru Maharaj where. He is gone. Where finding Gurudev? Inside Radha Kund. There are many lotus, stem and lotus, there are blossoms. There is something, watching. What? You understand? Guru Maharaj what watching? Yes. Guru Seva for going inside water and everywhere to collecting and finding and giving Gurudev. Gurudev rather he lost was on nose ring and giving, and he is giving Gurudev, Rupa Goswami, Rupa Manjari giving Lalita Devi giving Radharani, and very happy and pleased. Now this Leela, how can understanding? So Mahaprabhu's movement, anybody chanting Harinam, then Manasi Seva, Siddha Pranali, eternal relation, the getting and collecting. But ordinary people say, this is not right and wrong, I cannot believe. They cannot believe why? They cannot follow Guru Varga's footsteps. Guru Varga, they are waking 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, Nishanta Lila, they are chanting Harinam, serving there, following their things. Mahaprabhu's movement, very Mahaprabhu telling, Amani Manadhi Krishnam Sadalavi, Antare Radha Krishna Seva Manasi Koribe, Radhi Radha Krishna Seva Manasi Koribe. So anybody Amani Manad and doing Nam Sankirtana, then Manasi Seva are not running, they cannot go in eternal world, then flow not coming, their lila not appears hard, they cannot explaining, they cannot singing, their flow, how can you stop him? This is not possible. But foolish persons, Guru Vaishnava, never giving them cards and no, they fighting and arguing. They giving respect. Mahaprabhu movement, Amani Manad. Everybody is giving respect. যেমন বৈষ্ণব চিনিয়ালয় আদর করিবে যাবে বৈষ্ণবের কৃপা তাই সর্বসিদ্ধি অবশ্য পাইবে তবে। Everybody respecting is necessary. Not respecting, you lost your heart, you lost your Harinam, lost your taste, lost your flow, everything. Like Rupa Goswami Prabhu sitting and chanting Harinam in Shantarila is remembering. Khanjo Krishnadas, one lame man, Kanishta Adhikari also know, came, say Rupa Goswami laughing, joking, oh, teasing me, then stop his memory. He is disturbed and suffering. Oh, I did wrong something. After Sanatana Goswami came asking, he is inviting all Vaishnavas, one person not coming. Then he is gone there. I am praying. The Vaishnavism, Mahaprabhu's movement, senior, higher, but they cannot disobey, neglect anybody. All are giving proper respect. Jive Samman Dive Jani Krishna Dishtan. All jivas giving respect. Therefore, not thinking Rupa Goswami very small and this claim Kanjo Krishnadas is very higher. Radharani voice stopping, other that person making offense, and that their life will be finished. They will destroy. In Kali Yuga, when in Mahabharata you insulting, then who can protect you? Radharani very kind for these persons. Or Rupa Goswami is near came, cannot understand, and he now make offense. Therefore, Rupa Goswami himself is gone. Sanatana Goswami gone, Jiva Goswami gone, and protecting him, saving him. But here is telling, excuse me, forgive me. But he understanding, realizing that telling, yes, this is I did wrong. Then he realizing, not going, then he cannot understand it. So this bhajan is very critical, but no. Very easy, very sweet. You chanting Harinam, Omani Manad, one condition only. Mahaprabhu telling. Only one condition, Omani Manad. Omani Manad Hiya Krishnam Sodalabe. Braje Radha Krishna Seva Manasi Kori. Mahaprabhu's advice. This is following enough for life. All eternal Leela is coming flow. Non-stop. Hour to hour speaking, no pain, no headache, no tension. Also, flow is coming, and as it is, meanings is coming, realization coming, everything coming. And people is drinking these things, they not will be tired and they not will be sick, these things. But condition soul, yeah, any other desire, la puja pratishtha, popularity, name and fame, and authority, authorized, and guardian, so-called, they have problems. New fashion, new juke. They thinking this is useless, but they don't know Mahaprabhu's movement is like running. Anybody following? Jai bhaje sei bodo, abhakta inchar, Krishna bhajan nahi, jati kuladi vichar. Anybody doing bhajan, he is respected. Hoyas and hoyvel Prabhupada Kudas. These things not following. Kaviraj Goswami, therefore, Chaitanya Dev is starting, and all bhaktas' name, glories, everything is being mentioned in writing. And after he is praying, Purisher Kitoite Muise Logisto. More nam jail punya khoy, more nam jail har papa hoy. Amon nirtinda more kiba kiba kare, ek Nityananda bina jagoto mazhar. He is all time requesting and praying. I am very fallen soul. I am very small. Now these things telling, then say you will be more than Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami famous. Now you are telling and telling. So which is going now? Kali Yuga? Requesting and praying, there is problem. Humble mood, there is more problem. Yeah. Which is going there? Kali Yuga, Baba. Therefore, seriously, try to follow Guru Padma and Harinam, Harikirtan, Hariseva, Harikatha. Then Mahaprabhu's movement is running well. Otherwise, destroy for everywhere to throwing his stone and bricks and knife and sword and tridents and hook and arrow and many things. Big problem. Many problems. Therefore, not will be hopeless. Not to be careless. Seriously, try to do bhajan. Guru Prabhupada, this program, this society, this is not lost. Mahaprabhu's movement is Navadip Dham is Rani. These things very seriously following. After this, Bhagavan Das Babaji, Siddha Babaji, old, his body not working. How can he going and bathing Ganga? Then Ganga Devi said, don't you worry, I am coming. You are near. Then Ganga Devi, like 5 kilometer distance to see his king. He said, I will be present here. You bathing and taking and worshipping Nam Brahma. No problem for you. No problem. Then is there. Now also 500 years is like past. Now also Ganga Devi are present. Paramananda Puri is well. Mahaprabhu doing bhajan in Gambhira. Paramananda Puri doing bhajan. Bangkok, like ocean. Some place in distance. There, near Loknath and nearby like Jagannath temple. One day Mahaprabhu came and meeting with Paramananda Puri, asking, Prabhu, how can I serve you? You are not happy here. How will you be happy and pleased? He said, I am happy. Your association with it. I am doing Nam Sankirtan. And everything is well. But my oil inside is, water is not good, but dirty. I am not happy. Then Mahaprabhu said, Bhakta Seva for Ganga Devi not coming. Hey Ganga Devi, why not coming here? Quickly come. You will be here, continuous. Don't going distance to here. Then Ganga Devi at a time came and gone inside the well. And that door now also continuous. Paramananda Puri's well, Kupa, all Tirtha all Tirtha is present. Not gone distance to this way. To Bhakta, Mahaprabhu, he know Bhaktas. He giving respect Bhaktas. Now, this Kali Yuga, heart is broken. Cannot giving respect any Bhaktas, devotees. I am senior, I am higher, I am authorized, I am superior, I am great. Nobody is Bhakta. Prabhupada Swasthakur, his disciples, he is addressing Prabhu and offering pranam. And now I am burning. Any other glories? Any other popular than I am thinking? I am giving announcement everywhere. Now is one internet as Facebook. Only this is insult book. Showing face. Who am I? I am jackal, I am dog, I am crow, I am eagle. Showing face. Who am I? Facebook called. All are own nature is there is showing. Only arguing and insulting. He's bad, he's stupid, he's nonsense, he has this quality, he has this quality, only this Facebook. You are your face you showing? How are you? Not bhajan, no bhakti, no hari katha, no hari nam, showing face. Who am I? I am great scholar, all are in nonsense, he has this fault, he has this fault, he has guilty, he has stupid nonsense. You have, God is giving you this merciful, blessful, this face, showing for everybody. Who is nonsense? Why not is there Harinam Kirtan? You are starting and running, everybody is helping. This is for Gurudev not giving order, advice. Only this arguing for. This is for time and life. This is teaching Gurudev and Guru Varga. Don't waste your time. Don't look. Don't collect this toilet and this poison. All time will be busy. Goswami's footsteps following. Sankhya Purvakana Avagarana Tirvi. Mahaprabhu's followers, how? That things following. Then Mahaprabhu will be pleased and happy. Navadip Dham will be happy. Otherwise coming and going, after Parikrama finish, giving one result, Facebook. This year Parikrama result. Who is doing Parikrama? What is result come? How much love come? How much heart is melting? How much crying and weeping? Rolling in ground, smearing in this body this dust, Bhakavad Dhuli, teaching everybody, cleaning for, purifying for, only arguments. This is teaching their Guru Vargas, Mahaprabhu movement, this is Tinadu Sunij, Tarravi Soisuna, Amarna Manadena, Kirtaniya Sudahari. This program which you take Diksha? Anybody? Alpa Seva, Bhukari Mane. Anybody little bit serving Guru Varga? Last time announcement giving everybody's glories. Oh, this is Bhakta, devotee, these places to anybody came and helping. This program is running. Oh, there is Tharu, mercy, Guru's mercy, they getting, they collecting, their heart will be very soft and sweet. Mahaprabhu giving them more progress for spiritual help. This is the new place. And now giving announcement, Facebook, the internet, everywhere. What is the matter? This is classical, a class. This is Goswami's tendency, a Guru Vargas, our own nonsense business. People all understanding. One day everybody understanding. What is bhakti? What is bhog? What is enjoy? How can you defeating everybody and controlling, smashing? Hiranyakashipu also try to controlling everything. These arguments not running, not permanent. Therefore, Kaharina, Karaninda, Krishna, Krishna Bole, Ajay Chaitanya say, Jinibe Khele. Don't wasting time. Don't wasting life. No insulting. No touching and collecting. No will be sweeper and eagle and dog and crow and jackal. Dead bodies for not thinking. Flying in the sky looking dead body. All our faults and guilties is collecting. Oh, why are you wasting your lifetime? Why not chanting Harinam? Why not thinking about Guru Path Bandhan? More and more Guru Path Bandhan. Glories you are distributing. You are thinking, remembering Guru Vargas growing Navadvip glories. Then Dham will be happy and pleased with everybody. Anybody doing? Then breaking his legs, knees. Why you are doing? This is not Vaishnavism. Mahaprabhu's movement very serious. Therefore I am requesting everybody. Hey, don't do like. Otherwise, you one day will be defeated within Maya. Don't argue. Mahaprabhu not writing any books. Only is the 6 of 8 sloka giving. He said, I can write, I can do anything. My Rupa, Raghunath, oh, everybody giving mercy. They are doing. But Mahaprabhu say, anything writing, giving Shastra's evidence. Otherwise, people is nonsense people. And they are wasting own life also and disturbing everybody in certain. Therefore, Jiva Goswami Tattva Sandarbha, Bhakti Sandarbha, Priti Sandarbha, Krishna Sandarbha, Paramatma Sandarbha, all 6 Sandarbha it is his style, strongly. One good Goswami is insulting that, but Jiva Goswami protection giving. Mahaprabhu's movement very serious. But condition is Holy Dham, Navadvip Dham. Jiva Goswami Prabhu giving a lot of lesson mercy After Nityananda sending him, he is in Varanasi. Madhusudan participated in his meeting. Then he is asking, Mahaprabhu 7 days, 7 nights, hearing Vedanta Sutra, Sarvam Panditya. After Mahaprabhu explaining everything, teaching him, changing him, please you teach me, then Madhusudan Bhattacharya teaching him. How can I understand him? Therefore, Jiva Goswami Prabhu gone, Vrindavan, Rup Sanatana is meeting, and they are near to more, their things repeating and they are telling. Then his all shastras, quotation and meanings, everything is writing. Anyhow, all are king of the Dham, Holy Dham. Anybody came Holy Dham, all are respected, all regarded. All are spiritual guide or helper. Everybody is near begging and praying, and they are serving little bit. Oh, in this life is successful. They are touching Holy Dham. This is drinking this Dham Raso. Prabhupada Thakur saying, Bhakti is how can coming. Dham is growing anything. Dham Raso. They are taking and drinking. Then Nam for, Harinam for, Bhajan for, desire increasing. No outside anything is taking. Only Dham growing anything they are taking. Bhaktas are very strong. This, without this Dham, not going, not taking, not drinking. Many things, but no bhajan, nothing coming. And reading, writing, all forgetting. All lost then. Problem. Therefore, Nam Sankirtanam to no go distance. Mahaprabhu's mercy, all time flowing, all time will be very happy and pleased. Never disturbance coming in mind. And all Nitya Leela, everything will be connected. Why? Gurudev is eternal. I have faith, I am his followers, footsteps, then Guru Padma. Anywhere they are too. All flow is coming hard. But only faithful, servant, they have everything. No problem with them. But no faith, then all. This is called Guru Bhakya. This is Gurudev. This is called Nam Aparat. Harinam, Prabhu very kind. Harinam Prabhu giving all chances and help. But how? No Guru Bhakya. Faithful servant for no problem. Believe Gurudev, Gurudev eternal. Also, I am servant his all mercy and flow is coming my heart. And Guru was not thinking about me and take care of me. He is not cheating me. He is not cheated and he is not crooked. Hypocrite, he is not hard. All time disciples are believe Guru Padma. Then Mahaprabhu definitely giving everything. Today is Mahaprabhu Holy Dham, all are present. All are promised. I am not insulting, not hearing. No wasting time. All time chanting Harinam and Mahaprabhu is for making place in heart. Then no problem. Guru Padma was for this heart, place, this property. Sarvesham Guru that. Now my everything, my Harikatha, my class, my bhajan, everything for my Guru Maharaj. Then I am telling my Guru Maharaj's name. I forget now. Stop na Gurudev name. Anything I have is my Guru Maharaj property. I am collecting, begging, working, anything doing, pravachan, kirtan, harikatha, harinam, everything my Guru Maharaj property. I am conditioned soul. I have no knowledge. I am in forest outer and Maya's person. But now anything I am doing, Guru Maharaj mercy and grace with you. So this is Guru Maharaj's property, not my property. How can I think it is independent mind? Now I am telling and saying, oh, everything is Gurudeva's. This is Gurudev property. Without Gurudev, who giving me? I am making, plowing something Digging, finding something? No. Guru Varga, Guru Paratma, and Param Guru Paratma, my Guru Parampara, they are, anything is giving, this is their gift. That things, all are taking and accepting, that is good. Otherwise, I am thinking this is my things, then nonsense. I am thief. I am cheater. I am cheating people. No. Guru Varga, classes time, all time tell you. Guru Parampara, bless, mercy, anything is coming, this is helpful for us. What all are doing, what all are collecting, what are bringing. And mundane things giving anybody, nobody will be happy and pleased. Nobody taking, nobody coming. Guru is providing, distributing, there is attraction power. Sankarsana, Akarsana Shakti. Guru to Akarsana Shakti. Like one stone pieces throwing in sky, coming into home. Why? This stone pieces is earth part. Same Guru Padma Akarsana Shakti, Sankarsana, attraction power. He is near you present, he is anything is distributing, then everybody taking. And our property giving, what I have? Blood and this cup, nucleus, spit, my sweat, these things I am giving, distributing. My nonsense business I am giving? No. Therefore, don't lost heart, don't will be worried, don't sad, all time enthusiastic and very spiritual, life for progressing for remembering Guru Maharaj, remembering Mahaprabhu, Guru Parampara. Harikatha, Harikatha running, classes running will be non-stop. Then Maya running, never defeating. All are conquer and win everything. So 2 days, now time is over. Now next class is running. Krishna Kirtana Garanartana Prabhu. Without Krishna Kirtana, nothing happens in his life. No Maya Kirtana, no another Guru is speaking. Hari Bol, Hari Krishna, but Guru Maharaj and Guru Parampara Guru. All are trying to stealing. Oh, you explain my Guru is. You mention my name, how possible? This is not possible. Hare Krishna. Now, tomorrow next class, tomorrow Hari.